Morning. Then I am talking about quadrilateral family as we discussed last class. Here it is 5. This is suppose this is 7. This is 10. What is this side? How much is this side?
7.
7 centimeter. This also 10. Now one more property is that the kite. One question is that these two angles will be equal. Suppose it is 110 or 120. This will be 120. We cannot say both are equal now. Only one opposite angles they are equal. In a kite. Kite is a parallelogram. Kite is a parallelogram. What is your idea? Kite is a quadrilateral. Kite is a polynomial. My question is kite is a parallelogram? Tell me. Kite is a parallelogram? Kite parallelogram or no? What is the property of parallelogram? Ziyad, check again Ziyad. Kite parallelogram or no? What is a parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. No, see, 10 and 7 opposite sides not equal, not parallel. Kite is not a parallelogram. Kite is a quadrilateral. That is why this I told you alone, nobody in that family. This is the family system. Then after that, what we did here, first one, parallelogram, isn't me? Parallelogram. No, sorry. Trapezium. After that, parallelogram. Trapezium. Trapezium. Okay? Is that trapezium? You are a trapezium? Trapezium. Then, next, what that I am talking about? Collateral, trapezium, then parallelogram. Parallel, 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 parallel. That means equal. It will be equal. It will be equal parallel, parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is a trapezium. All parallelograms are trapezium. Trapezium. Now listen here. From here, I think derivation. Maybe one child like this, one child the father, children like that only. Here, parallelogram. What I wrote here, I think rectangle. Rectangle. You know rectangle, perpendicular parallelogram, right? Rectangle. 90-degree angles will be 90 degrees. In between, here, boy, what is this name? What is the name? What is the last?
Square.
Square. Yes, baby. Square. You are a square. Now here, one more is there. Can you tell me who is that?
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Very good. Rhombus. Rhombus. Arch. Rhombus. That means all sides are equal and parallel. Equal, 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 equal. Equal, 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 but 90 degree here, square 90 degree. There is no 90 degree on, you cannot see. That means, this is the flow chart I told you, quadrilateral family, this one. Quadrilateral family, see, from here, quadrilateral family, flow chart. All squares, I can say quadrilateral. All square rectangle. Rectangle is a square is a rectangle. But rectangle is not a square. Square parallelogram. Square trapezium. Square is a rhombus. Square is a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Rhombus is not a rectangle. That is why the deviation. trapezium, quadrilateral family. You are a quadrilateral, you are not a parallelogram. You are a kite. Your properties are different. After that, diagonal properties are there, very important. Here, all properties are there. What you know the properties? Very properties. Sides are equal. Angles 90 degrees. Diagonals. What is the property of a square? Diagonals. Diagonals are square. Tell me, diagonals of a square. Complete that. Are you reading or not? You have to read this one, these properties. No need of explanation for that. Diagonals of a square. How many diagonals are there for a square? What diagonal?
2.
2 diagonals. So diagonals are? Tell me.
2.
Diagonals are? Perpendicular bisector. I told you what is bisector, what is perpendicular. Diagonals of a rhombus also perpendicular bisector. Remember the qualities, the properties. Anyway, these all properties you have to study. I told you. Any confusion over there? Any confusion? ഈ ഫ്ലോ ചാർട്ട് വരച്ചതിന് ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഒന്ന് അന്ന് ഞാൻ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു, വരക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾ ആ റൂമിൽ ഒരു വൈറ്റ് പേപ്പറിൽ A4 പേപ്പറിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഷീറ്റിൽ ഫ്ലോ ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കി quadrilateral family. Beautiful. You can write this is kite. You are kite. No members for alone. Kite is alone. Marriage edilla. Here family is there.
Sorry.
So easy. Sorry.
ഇതൊക്കെ എനിക്കാണോ? ഒക്കെ എനിക്കല്ല.
You have to do this one. Homework from home. You have to write this one, draw this one easily, and put your study room. Don't talk. Listen. What is this? What is this? First one, what is this?
Trapezium.
Then
Parallelogram.
this one.
Rectangle. Square. Rhombus.
Okay, we can do like this all lines in the quadrilateral family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you'll figure I think you know. I'm talking about quadrilateral family, 4 sides and not pentagon either. Okay. All figures are all explanations, diagonals, everything, diagonals of parallelogram. Okay. Now, all of you come to the exercise 3.3. നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ടിൽ കാണാനായിരിക്കും 3.3 exercise 3.3. Which question we are doing? I told you one question, homework, 1 or 2. Question number 1, question number 2, 4th and 5. I think you completed 4 and 5. Then second also. Then third question, 4th question. Where are you now? Which question are you doing? Don't chat. Okay. ഏത് question are ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Anna, tell me which question?
Third one.
Third one. Okay. Now 14 came. Okay. Absentees in the name on the എനിക്കെന്റെ ക്ലാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അയക്കണം. സിയാദ് അയക്കോ? Okay. Ziyad?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now listen here. What about the 5th question? That means second question, 5th one. What do you got X then? Why? What do you got Y then? Second question, 5th bit. എത്ര y? Second question. Fifth one, fifth bit. I think we didn't complete. Complete it now. The fourth one also. Fifth one. Fifth one. What is given the parallelogram? Parallel, parallel, parallel. Okay. Fifth question. Here, diagonal is given. This is the diagonal. (112). This is 112 degree. Then you have to find out this y. Then this is given x, not this full. Here, this is 40 is given. Now, what is the question? All of check the fifth question, fifth bit. First question, fifth. The second question, 5. X, y, z, you have to find out. X, y, and this is z. Tell me what is x. All of you listen here. What is y here? The following parallelograms. Okay. Y is 102. Why y is 102? Because opposite angles are equal. Y is equal to 112. Because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now x is equal to x is equal to P Q R S. A triangle PQS. We know 112 plus 40 plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. X is how much you have to find out? Is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to how much you want? From this triangle, from the triangle PQS, x we need, we are coming from, okay, from triangle PQS, 180 minus 152, okay, 28 degree. Now what is z is equal to? Z is equal to
140.
Z is equal to. Tell me what is z is equal to?
28.
28 അല്ലേ 21 ആണോ? This 28, correct? 40, 152, 180 minus 52, 8. Z is equal to how much?
28.
Z is equal to
28 degree.
28 degree. Why?
Opposite.
Opposite ഒന്നല്ല ഇവിടെ opposite. ഇപ്പോഴുള്ള ആംഗിൾ കിട്ടിയില്ലല്ലോ.
Interior angle of a triangle.
ആ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റിലേക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം കാരണം how here interior angle of a triangle. എങ്ങനെ? ഇത് 112 അല്ലല്ലോ. Then Z we have to find out. Z is how much? 28. How you got it? What property?
X and Z.
X is 28. So Z is 28. Why? What is the reason? Reason when? It is a parallelogram. You know, PQ parallel to SR. Then QS is the transversal. When a transversal is intersecting two parallel lines, alternative angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Angles on the same sides of a transversal are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Three conditions yesterday I told you to refer that. Okay. The മനസ്സിലായിണ്ടോ?
Yes.
28. Now next question. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? Next question അതുമായി തന്നെ ചെയ്യാം. Same thing. 80 degrees. Now all of you check question 3. Quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? Suppose it's a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. This is D, A, B, C. First condition. Angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle B 180 degree. Can be? Tell me. എന്ത് തോന്നുന്നു? In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So maybe this what I can say 180 degree, 40, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Rectangle വരുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, rectangle is a parallelogram. Maybe. Then second condition. AB is equal to DC is equal to 8. 8. And the AB is equal to DC is equal to 8. Then AD is equal to 4 and BC is equal to AD is equal to 4. This is 4.2 or 4 point whatever be that 4.4 or 4.5. 4. Opposites are equal, but it is not equal. No, it is not. Understood?
Yes.
എന്തുകൊണ്ട്? Why it is not a parallelogram?
Opposite sides are not equal.
Not equal. If this is a quadrilateral, is this a quadrilateral?
Yes.
Is this a polygon?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now next one. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal. First, understand the question. Question മനസ്സിലായോ? Draw a quadrilateral. All of you read the question. Question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. Draw fast. Can we? One pair is parallel or equal. What is the shape of? What is the shape there? What is the name of that quadrilateral? What is the name of that quadrilateral? Anybody please? Morning also I explained that. I started with that. Rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles. That means here we know we only one member, that is kite. Kite. That is kite. Morning I told you this one. Equal. One member only, kite. Okay, right then. Draw a kite first. Kite. Now next question. Read the next question. Anybody please read the next question. First. Nobody.
The measure of two
Yes, good. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Parallelogram, this one. Properties you can apply. What is the one? The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram in the ratio 3:2. What is this one? Sound is there? Anybody audio? Any problem? Okay, listen. 3:2. You know ratio. 3:2. Maybe 3 or 2. Maybe 30 or 20. Maybe 60. Maybe 40. Maybe 30, 20, 60, 40. So whenever ratio, don't confuse too much. Ratio, you know ratio. Ratio of two numbers. Comparison by division ratio. Suppose 50 by 20. You can say that is 5:2. Ratio means comparison by division. Here they gave 3:2. Adjacent angle. Suppose I am taking this angle. And I am taking this angle. What is given? There adjacent angle. This is adjacent angle. No? PQRS. Angle P and angle Q adjacent ano? Adjacent ano? I don't respond in the angle P adjacent angle Q, correct? We know angle P opposite to angle R. Angle S opposite to angle Q. Angle R and angle Q adjacent. Angle Q and angle P adjacent. Angle P and angle S adjacent. Angle S and angle R adjacent. Opposite angles, adjacent angles. In adjacent, we can see this vertex. This is a vertex. One common side will be there, that is adjacent. Here PQ is common. Here no common side, that is opposite. We know opposite side. We know adjacent side. Okay, fine. Now what I am taking? 3:2. I am taking this is 3x. This is 2x. All of you draw that figure first. Draw parallelogram figure. Mark it. 3:2. I don't know what is that 3:2. Maybe 30, 20 or 60, 40. So x, 3x and 2x. That is the way you can find out. Find out x. You can do. If this is 3x, what is this? This is 3x. Then S is equal to how much?
3x.
30 degree. This is a parallelogram. This is 3x. What is this x? Tell me.
3x.
3x. Because opposite angles are. Now it is 2x means we know this is 2x. Opposite angles are equal. Some problem. ആരോ നിന്റെ ഓഡിയോ ശബ്ദം ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കൂ. Now, how can we proceed? Okay. What is the total angle of a parallelogram? Angles are property of a quadrilateral. When we add 4 angles of a quadrilateral, what is the sum? What is the total angle of a quadrilateral? 360. 2 triangles are 360 degrees. That means 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 360 degrees. Add all angles. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property. All of you write this one. From the quadrilateral, PQRS. In quadrilateral, PQRS. This is a parallelogram. That means quadrilateral. Now x, find out x all of you. Find out x. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10x is equal to? Okay. 360. So x is equal to 360 divided by 10. That is equal to 36. Now see the question. Each of the angles of the parallelogram. Now angles. So angle P is equal to. Angle P is equal to. Tell me what is angle P?
72.
72. 2x. That means 36 into 2. That is 72 exactly. Then angle S, P or Q.
108.
Okay, angle Q is equal to, that means 36 into 3, 108 degree. 108. Then you can say angle S is equal to 108, angle R is equal to 72, each angle. Angle S is equal to 108 degree, then angle R is equal to 72 degrees. You got all angles, you can check that total is 360, it will be.
16.
So x you are finding, you can find it. Now 6th question. The complete either.
Yes.
Now 6th question, read. 6th question, question 6. 6th question. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. Again, parallelogram. Adjacent angle. I can say adjacent angle. They are equal. Okay. Adjacent angle are equal means, suppose this is x, this is x. If this is equal x, all are x. 4x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 divided by 4. 90 degree. We see that. Not hard. All angles are equal. Not opposite. Adjacent angles are equal. That means 90 degree. Maybe rectangle or square. Now, 7th question. All of you check the figure. Hope. Hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle, measure x, y, and z. All of you draw fast the 7th figure. Figure is given there in the textbook. Hope. Draw it. Draw the 7th question. Can you find out x? What is x? What is y? What is z? Stay in the properties first.
X is equal to 110.
X is equal to
110.
y you got, how you got 110? Tell me the reason. Your answer is correct. How? X is equal to 110. How you got it?
Opposite angles.
Hope. Tell you're right. Any hope is there? You have to check. Hope is there your answer. Okay. Hope. I'm hoping you can do that. First thing, as we have to find out x. That means this is a linear pair, correct? So we have to find out that angle as y z. Suppose here x, this is y, this is y, and this is z, but it is 40 is given. This is z. Suppose this angle is a. What is a?
110.
110. Yes. Why 110?
70 minus 180.
Yes.
Minus 7.
180 minus 70. 70 minus 180 will be negative, it will not be angle. That means 110. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Linear pair. You can write the reason. All of you write. Linear pair is my angles add up to 180 degree. When two angles, sum of two angles 180 degree, they are called linear pair. Bracket, you have to write the reason linear. Now you forget x. X is equal to 110. Reason you have to write. Vertically opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now, of parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. In the audio subject. Audio, close it. Three charges are there. Okay, 110. X is equal to 110, Y is equal to, okay, fine. Yeah, good. Yeah, listen here. Now, we can find out this angle. As we got, as before, find out B. If we know B, we are getting Z, correct? Now you can do that. Angle B is equal to, from the triangle HPE, from triangle HPE, from triangle EPH, no problem. EPH, from triangle EPH, B plus 40, B is equal to, how much you are getting? 180 minus 40 plus 110. Because this is 40, this is 110. That means 150, 30. This we got 30 degree. Then we can say as before, Z is equal to 30 degree. Z is equal to 30 degree. Vertically, what is this? Linear pair. Now this is corresponding parallelogram, parallel, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. A transversal EP parallel to HP, opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternating angle. What you understand? Alternating angles. Alternative angle. You tell me the mistake. Because EP parallel to HO and HP is the transversal, not diagonal. Alternative angles are equal. Now y is equal to, again same. Y is equal to Z is equal to 30. So y is equal to 180 minus, what is that is equal to? 30 plus, this is 110. 180 minus 30 plus 110. That means 40 degree.
40 degree.
Okay. And also properties apply that we need. മനസ്സിലായോ? കുറച്ച് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം, കുറച്ച് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവും. ട്രയാങ്കിൾ മനസ്സിലായില്ലെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. Now listen here. There are guns and guns. Yes, boys and girls. Like many parallelograms are parallelogram. A parallelogram ko നോക്കിയാണ് എല്ലാവരും eighth. What is the name of the parallelogram? Eighth one. Guns. Don't use guns. Find x and y. Okay. Now you are drawing the figure. Figure is there. Do the answer. Try to do the answer. Etc. Is a parallelogram. X is how much?
6.
See the figure, raw figure. 3x. What is given? 18. And 3y minus 1. That is equal to 26. This is your gun. G-U-N-S. It is easy. We need x and y. Parallelogram, opposite sides are 3x is equal to what? 3x is equal to
18.
Okay. 3x is equal to 18. 80% 1. Why 18 3x is equal to? Why?
Opposite
Opposite?
Side.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram. We have to say it's a parallelogram. Opposite side. Opposite sides are equal. Next one do. X is equal to 18 by 3. That means 6 centimeter. Next one do. Y you have to 3y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 1 is equal to
26.
do then y is equal to find out 3y is equal to then y is equal. Find out the answer. Okay. By 327 by 3 that is 9 centimeter 6 centimeter. Yes. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ പറയണം. We are applying the property only. Understood? Farhana, Iba, Fatima, Fida, Fatima Manal, Fatima Safa. മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now next question. What do you have to find out again? X and Y. Try to find out second bit. First bit I did, second bit also try to do second bit. Draw that figure. A figure one check. We'll go on the trap window. Hard on that. You have to apply the diagonal property. Example point example same way. S plus Y. Parallelogram. Name of the parallelogram. Runs. The parallelogram runs. 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 Now write out. S plus Y. What is the property of diagonals of a parallelogram property? Suppose this is 4. Diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Cut in two equal parts. Square and perpendicular on the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That property we can apply. 16 is given here. Up here 16. This is S plus Y. Then 20y plus 7. Y plus 7. This is 20. S plus Y is equal to 16. Up etc. Y etc. Can we?
Equals 13. X equals 3.
13 plus 3. 10 plus 6 I put on. 15 plus 1 I could. But we have to use here. From here, what we can find out? We can find out Y. Y is how much from here? Take this one.
13.
Okay. So we can apply that is the way. Two equations. First the so write the y plus 7 that is equal to 20. Reason is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means y is equal to 20 minus 7, that is 20. Actually, this linear equation two variables. You will study that linear equation two variables. Very interesting. Now, but till now you study linear equation one variable only. You will study later, next class. Anyway, here we can do like this using your logical side only. Next, s plus y is equal to 16. Again, diagonal bisect. This is, you can say equation one. This is second one. Same thing, diagonals bisect each other. But y is equal to 13, no? What is y is equal to? 13.
13.
Substitute the value y is equal to 13. Substitute y in second equation. That means x plus 13, that is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 minus 13, that is equal to 3 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Now it is correct. 13 plus 3, then 13 plus 7, 20. Now it is correct. There is a figure with risk and clue or parallelogram. You can check it is risky or not. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോവാം. But we have to wind up now. I think time is out. Time is over. What is time now?
11:23.
11:23. That means 5 more minutes. Am I right?
No.
എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്?
6.
Okay. Now see that question. And the question try ചെയ്ത് നോക്ക്. Look the figure, no need the drawing. Look the figure. What you have to find out? X you have to find out. Above figure risk. Risk കണ്ടില്ലേ? RISK parallelogram. Risk ശരിക്കും നോക്കണം. RISK risk. And clue. Another parallelogram. Risk എടുത്താൽ മതി. Risk. രണ്ട് parallelogram ഉണ്ട്. Risk and clue. Risk. ഒന്നിങ്ങനെ risk. RISK risk. Risk. Then clue. Is that who want to sing a song? You are also interested. Extend is that one. Risk. Then this also is study. You know what the parallelogram? It is like this. Here also parallel to that. This is clue. Risk and clue. Then this X you have to find out. What is given here? Anything? Yes. 120. How can we find out X? What is the method? How can you manipulate? If this is 120, we can say this is 120 parallelogram. This is 120, this is 60. Yes? Then this is parallel is 120, it will be 60 because co-interior angles are supplementary. Parallel, this is transverse. Then after that, any other things? Anything is given? Yes. This is 70 is given. If this is 70, this is 70. That means x you can find out now. 180 minus 70 plus 60. That means 180 minus 130. This is 70. Because this is 60. 130. That means 50 degree. X is equal to 50 degree. Work is over. See the manipulation, see the extension. So that work we have to complete. Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you.